Okay, number 25. We have 3x plus 3 in parentheses squared, 3x plus 3 squared minus 12 times 3x plus 3, and then plus 35 equals 0. All right, so what you want to notice is that this looks like a quadratic. We have something squared minus a number times something, that same thing, and then plus 35 equals 0. So what we're going to do is do substitution. I'm going to replace all of this. I'm going to say that y, use a different variable, equals 3x plus 3. You can use any variable. So I'm going to replace this with y in both cases, and when I do that, I have y squared minus 12y plus 35 equals 0. We're going to factor, so 1 times 35, factors of 35 that will add to give you 12, 1 in itself, and then I think the only other thing we have is 5 times 7. 5 plus 7 will give us 12, so we'll factor. So we're going to put a y in the front, and then 5 and 7 at the back, and then signs. First sign is the bigger number, second sign tells me they're the same. Alright, so once we have it factored, we have it back in that linear form y. We're going to go back and replace what we substituted. So I'm going to replace that with 3x plus 3. So I have a 3x plus 3 minus 5. And then over here I have a 3x plus 3 minus 7. We're going to simplify these and then set the factors equal to 0. So it's going to give us 3x minus 2, set that equal to 0. And then over here we have 3x minus 4 equals 0. Add 2, 3x equals 2, divide by 3, x equals 2 over 3. And then add 4, so we get 3x equals 4, divide by 3, x equals 4 divided by 3. Okay, so it looks weird, but it's just a factoring problem. And we get 2/3 and 4/3. D. And then 26, we just have a simple linear equation. We have 11x equals -8 plus 10x. We're going to subtract 10x from both sides. That will give us 1x equals -8, and then that's all we have to do here, just a one-step linear equation, -8.